Hi everyone, it's Tiffany Lowe. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. It's going to be something different, not makeup related. Well, I guess it is-ish. It's part of the eyes, but it's not going to be a makeup tutorial today. I'm actually going to be reviewing the On-FleekBox, and this is actually the August box, this one. And it's a subscription box, just like BoxyCharms and Ipsy boxes. Ranges about $20 to $30 for just one pair of the high quality lashes. Or you can also get their subscription box, which is $19.95. When you open it up, in here there should be about 4 pairs of lashes, and there's always a quote on here, and it says, "Baby girl, you were born to slay," which I think is really cute. The font is actually really cute. Packaging and the boxes changes. They're not the same color. Eyelashes are different, of course, every month. And again, there's 4 pairs in here. First one is called Starlight, and then the second one is called Princess. Third one at the bottom here is Honey, and then Icy. It's really cute, dramatic, my favorite. I love dramatic eyelashes. And then on the card that it comes with, sorry, my daughter kind of ripped it off, but it gives you a code that your friends can use to get 20% off. And then on the other side, it just tells you that it's the August box lashes, and from Starlight, again, I guess it's the meaning for these eyelashes. Starlight, it's designed to give you that extra glam factor that you'll have to glow up. And for Princess, you wear these lashes when you're searching for a sugar daddy. And Honey, for those lazy days when you're going for a subtle yet look. Lastly, Icy, the perfect pair of dramatic lashes for those hot summer days. There's also prices on here. So looks like Starlight, if you were to buy it individually, it's about $20. And you get just 1 pair. And Princess, which looks like this. This one is $19. Honey is about $17. And then we have here Icy, and this one's $18. And again, you can either subscribe to them and get the monthly subscription. And these boxes, again, ranges from $19.95. Unless you just want to get 1 pair. Again, these are the prices for the individual lashes. And again, I'm not getting sponsored or getting paid for this. I actually purchased this with my own money. Okay, so I'm going to put them on and show you guys how they look like. So this pair is the Princess eyelashes. And now on to the next one. Okay, so these pairs are the Honey one. It's really natural, or like an everyday eyelash. I actually like these as well. It's not too dramatic, too much out there. Alrighty. So what we have here, these are the Icy. I'm also liking these so far. Okay, so just wow, look at these lashes. I guess I picked the best for last. These are more dramatic than the previous one that I just had on. And This is the Starlight. This is the last pair. This one's really dramatic. I would not wear this on a daily basis without any eyeshadow. It's so dramatic, so full and dark, as you can tell. And I guess overall, my to-go eyelashes will be the first two, which will be the first two that I had on. And again, it was Princess and Honey. And again, these are more for like a simple, maybe with or without eyeshadow look. And the last two, which is Icy and Starlight, they are both a little bit more dramatic. So these are more for like night outs. That's all for the video, guys. I guess I will see you guys on my next video.